Hey guys, it's me Ryan, and today I'm going to be playing a game with my friend Nate. So we're going to be playing some Zone Wars. So if you don't know how to play this, it's just, yes, it's good. It's a screen practice. What he said. So yeah. Wait, what's this? Wait, is this a different one? Is this the one that Jake found? Oh, I thought Jake found it because he said he found like a really good one. Okay, starting now. Wait, why is my laggy? Hey, if I suck, it's because my game really lagging. Wait, don't kill me. No, why is my game so lag? Wait, what? Hey guys, if I suck at the game, it's because my game is like really laggy, like really laggy. When I say laggy, I actually mean it. Wait, did this same? Wait, do you want to play your screen later so like help you make it? Guys, I'm better than this. It's just my game's. No, I got blocked. I'm getting blocked. Oh, guys. Okay, this kid I'm playing right now, it's like 10 times way better than me. So if you find him in a game, you should pray to get better. I met him like years ago. Wait, how many years ago was it? Yeah, like 7 years ago, right? I think. Wait, why? Why is there no traps in this one? Okay. I might have time to play another match. Okay, my 90s are sucking. Crap. Crap. Calm down, kid. Oh my, see, look how bad I am. Okay, I could have done it if my game wasn't that laggy. Hey, I'm gonna make a video. Hey, yeah, can you help me out or something? For can you coach me or something? So tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna post a video and he's gonna coach me. Actually, yeah, that's the right day because I post videos daily. Yes, I do. Yeah, I actually do. Don't you know that? You trying to? Oh, wait. Did you even turn notifications on? Okay. No! Yeah, that's the other one, guys. So the other screen is like way better because I don't actually know why. Do you just want to do this one quickly? So like a couple minutes of this one? Whoa. Look at this dude. Look at this. What? No, why did I place that? Wait, can I just sort my inventory? Me too. That's why I was breaking the thing. Imagine. Wait, what? Look at this dude trying to kill this kid. Murder. No, it's just my mic. It's very sensitive for some reason. So I can't turn push to talk on. Whenever I breathe a little bit, it always happens. No, it's my newest mic. It didn't work in the past. Now it does. Cause like my mic trashed and I thought he fixed my newest one. What? My naughty suck. Yeah, let's go on the other one. Okay, I'm gonna go back to hub. Okay. I'm in hub. Let's do some screen. Wait, you left the game. I said you left the game. No. Wait. Which one are we doing? I know. I'm trying to find it. It's gone now. What? You know the code? Oh. Wait, do you just want to play deathmatch and stuff? Or something? Wait, is it? Okay, let's just play this one, okay? You just want to play Judas? Okay. Do you just want to play Judas Zombie? It's not working for me. Okay, difficult. Technical difficulties. Oh. Donnie SC. 1 second, Biggie. So, guys, right now win a game. Win the one we really like. Cause you get like starting things as well. Yeah, me too. Wait, what? No. Why did you start? Why didn't we get AR? Maybe they got rid of it or something? I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure there's not. Oh, it doesn't matter. Just use the AR you have. What are you doing? Oh, technical difficulties again. Okay. This time don't close it again, okay? Yes! Good job. No, can you go easy? Cause there's a golden pop. Go easy, kid. I don't want to lose it. I never got a golden pop before. Just kidding. Bro, did they change this around or something? Oh yeah, by the way, my pyramids are not working. Now this one's the sucky one. No, you can't do that to me. No. Shut up. Bro, I try my best. Unlike you, you just go rage mode. Try hard. Guys, comment down below if I'm pretty good at the game. But shut. So guys, I'm going to end the video here at the worst moment. So yeah, bye-bye.